Guys, good morning. Yeah, it's morning. It's another beautiful week, guys. I'm here to do my laundry. I have so many activities to do today, but this is the first one of the week, of the day. So I'll be sorting some of these. I've had quite a week. Yeah, so it's a beautiful morning here, guys. So anyone new here, you're very welcome. Subscribe to my channel and when you see more of me. Yeah, so how are you guys doing? I hope you're all fine. I don't have much. Yeah. As you all know, it might be winter season, but well, we manage. I think this is going to I'll be doing this laundry and then I heading up to do some shots. I need to draw some shots. I've been focusing on my lines and not doing any shots, so I need to do that before I head out. So guys, I'll see you when I come back to post in the dryer. And this is going to take a solid like 40 minutes. So doing it full, so I just divide it into two. Oh, this one is almost like empty. Just put some of this beside. Putting my settings on 1. I will be back here in 40 minutes to do the change over to the dryer. So guys, I'm back down here to put the laundry in the dryer and pull it in just one dryer.
Can't take you off my mind. See the through the path behind.
See you in 50.
A rare video of me eating on my kitchen counter because a girl doesn't have table manners. Yeah, and this is in between doing laundry and making shorts. You can see the hair. Yeah, so it was just taking a bite, reminiscing, and just going about my day because what else could I do apart from looking cute, eating, and being?
2,000 years later.
So guys, we are back. It's done. Yeah, so I just remove the leaves so it doesn't go to my clothes. Ew. I'll be doing this later, so we just throw them in. Oh my god. Wow, God knows we're not doing this today, so let's head out.
Oh my god. Guys, it's freezing. I was out for like 2 minutes. I couldn't feel my lips. I couldn't feel my face. Yeah, so we are out here. I'm going over there in the shop. Rogers, I need to pay for a phone that I've not used. I think I got that phone with it with my phone plan, and then I have not been able to use that phone since. So I just use it as a prop in my videos. Guys, but this is the situation. You are out here in like 2 minutes, you're dying. Yeah, so you don't want to be like me, not having a car. This is what it means by having a car being a necessity. Yeah. Can you imagine what like being out here? This is all this is snow. Yeah. It's not much, it does not snow much. Some of the speakers actually I can see them. Yeah. But you don't want to be out here walking in snow. So let's go see what you can make out of this. Okay, I'm planning to get a new kilo. Let's see about that. Oh my god. Isn't this fun? Yeah, I hope I get a cuss. Yep. So this is where I'm going.
Okay, all I need you to do, that's complete. Just erase this for me. I'm gonna finish the trade-in, and then, yeah, everything's done. I added the device protection manually. They removed all add-ons.
Okay.
You had to remove it manually. I don't know. It's weird,
What was the
but-
total? Do you remember?
With device protection?
Yeah.
35 plus 43 plus 21.99.
Okay, perfect.
And then add 13% on that.
Okay.
Okay? Cool. And then you just erase that. Here's this.
Oh yes.
Thank you. Go to the stolen device protection thing because you're gonna need a.
That's. Let's do the software update now. There you go. You're welcome.
Oh, it's a wireless charger. It doesn't. No, it's a wire. No, like you plug it in still, but you can set your phone on it like a nightstand. It charges your phone. Yes. Yeah.
I just put it on top.
That's it. Yeah. Should be all good. Okay, so that's done.
That's why I that's why I went.
Oh.
What's your passcode, babe? Here, put it in, yeah. Yeah, I know a lot. That happens to a lot of people. Oh, your Bluetooth's not on. That's why. It wasn't finding the phone. So now we do this. So we're gonna set the phone up, and we're gonna do this.
There's $185.40 device challenge remaining. If you want to keep the phone, add another $5.90.
It will come out. There it is. All right. Here, passcode. Okay. Yep. Yep. Beauty. Is it erasing?
Yeah, it's just uploading everything. that I thought.
Amazing. That's perfect. Okay, that's done. We're gonna start the transfer. Here, I'm gonna let you start. Let you do this. And then I'm actually gonna quickly do this trade-in.
You want to do financing or?
Here. Oh my god, this Simply Having Christmas Time song's on again. Jesus. Okay. Here, put it down. Just, it's new. It scares me. I've seen an employee drop a phone once and I was like, no. Here.
There's a $5.90 special one.
Okay, let's do a trade up. I'm gonna do it on you. I'm gonna wait for yours.
6 months. Well, if you're planning on keeping it, then do the regular financing.
If you want to set everything up, go ahead, babe. Face ID, everything, go ahead. You don't have to, or you can. It's whatever you want. It's your world, sis. Okay. Oh, God. That's sure.
This is good. I can use that credit card. You have a passport?
Just file it down.
That one and like
Are you guys here to upgrade?
I just got new phones.
Yeah. New phones?
Yeah.
What are you guys coming from?
I have an Apple and I dropped it down the sewer yesterday.
Oh,
So,
look at you. She
Yeah,
said.
so I needed a phone.
Okay, perfect. And then you as well. You're getting a new phone as well. Are you guys? Do you have an Apple too? What one?
I have really old one, so
Okay.
Ours are both really old.
we just take the simplest one.
Okay, guys. We'll be with you in a second.
what other items?
I'm gonna do it. No, take the case off. I'm really good at screen protectors, like really good. Yeah, I'm good at that. So let me do it. Yeah. No dust underneath. None. Not at all. Yeah, that's the camera protector. Open it.
So like, when you come back.
This goes inside or outside?
No, that's to install screen protector, but I don't need it. I'm usually really good at this. So make sure there's no dust. Holy, 7 hours. What could possibly be on here? That's a 7-hour transfer.
Is it going to be actually 7 hours?
No.
Because I need to be somewhere by 2:30. I like your phone cover.
Oh, the purse, yeah. A lot of people I love. I got it for my birthday,
Yeah.
and I've gotten so many compliments on it. I decided because I have a whole bunch.
It is
But
so cool.
yeah, I decided to keep it because like even my boyfriend was like, "Babe, that's really cool." Like he was like,
It
I was
is.
dying. I'm dying because normally guys, but like it's all the guys have been like, "So smart." I'm like, yeah, because whenever I want to pick up my phone instead of holding it, I'm just like,
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like way easier for me. Yeah, trust me. I was like, I'm shocked because the quality. Like, I've had this on for a couple days, and it's from Temu. Not one diamond is fell off.
Let me look at that.
No, not one diamond is fell off. Isn't that weird?
It's new.
I just got this 4, 5. I've been wearing it since Monday. My birthday was Monday, and I got it Monday, so it's my birthday case. But yeah, like.
I'm going to look for that phone.
Yeah, look for it. It's so nice, and not just that. Like the diamonds, like it's crazy when the diamonds haven't fall off.
Yeah.
Normally diamonds would fall off. I love Temu. Oh my
This is
god,
good, yeah.
Temu's the best. I get everything from
Which
Temu.
iPhone is this?
This is iPhone 15 Pro.
Okay. Okay, here.
Yeah, mine has a lot of. As I'm a singer, I need a lot of. I've been singing for a long time, so I have a lot of music files and stuff. So I need really large storage. Like
Oh,
I have
56.
512.
Wow. iPhone 15 comes with 512?
Yeah, it's iPhone 15 Pro. They had a special for employees
Okay.
for just 512s, and I was so lucky. I was like, oh my god, I got it for $7 a month, just a 512. Yeah.
That's
But yeah,
great.
I was really lucky. It was a really lucky find.
It's not in the market anymore?
No, it was literally a one, and it's so funny because I'm a musician. All my friends are musicians. I called all of them. It was a 15 Pro Max for 10 a month and a 15 Pro for 7 a month, both 512. So I got all the stock and called all my friends and told them all together.
Wow.
That's the thing. It's good to have a friend that works in like certain things, like
Exactly.
even like certain like stores with clothes and stuff
Yeah.
or shoes, because then you can get the latest
The
things
deals, yeah.
or the best deals. Life, you know what? You realize life is all about who you know.
Yeah, exactly.
Trust me. Okay, we're gonna lift this. There's a piece of dust under it.
Hey guys, I managed to get myself a new phone. Yeah, so my data is just transferring as I'm speaking. I'm a happy girl, yay. Merry Christmas to me. Yeah, so I just go wait for the bus, head home. Yeah, oh my God.
It's fun being out here, really. Yeah, let me show you my walkway. Ooh, look at that. Guys, I've been there for, I had to wait for like an hour. I had to be there for like 30 minutes. Yeah, but it's good. Yeah, I had an iPhone 11. That's what I've had for like quite some time. And now I have, oh my God, that is the bus I'm supposed to be catching. And it's just going to pass by while I'm here. Oh my God. Well, I'll have to catch the next one. I don't know where I'm going to chill, but they don't wait for anyone. The buses don't wait. So, ooh, wow. Let me own this so I know how I can go. Oh no. I should probably just go wait in metro. Guys, guys, so here I am. I tried my best with this wig. Yeah, transitioning to work. Yeah, so I don't know if I'll be able to get any footage, but if not, if this is it, then it was nice. It is nice having you here. Yeah, subscribe to my channel and you'll see more of me. And thank you. Yeah, see you. Forget what I said earlier. Well, I managed to catch some footage, and this is the potluck, the major event of the week. It is a Friday, and people like came all the way out to do this. Look at the dessert table and all the food that we ate during the day. Last but not least, well, that was a good dinner. Who are you? Merry Christmas!
Hey, Milka's followers.
So what do you have to say for today?
Welcome to her vlog. The food is good. Yeah, we did a potluck. We eat a lot.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry. We just had lunch 2 hours ago, or like 1 hour ago.
I don't know if I ate that much.
Say hi, Vida.
Hi.
You should take vlogging.
I don't.
We do vlogs. Hello.
Hey guys, I just finished setting up my iPhone 16 that I got earlier. Wait, is it today? Yesterday. Yeah, it is very early in the morning on the next day. I'm talking 2 a.m. Yeah, so I just finished setting up. Still have some of these accessories inside. I'll just be looking at that later. So today, as you can see, we had a successful potluck. Oh my God, it was so good. So there was so much food. I managed to grab some. Like, we all managed to grab some to take home. But I'm going to be trying this. I don't know. Yeah, it is gourmet red potato salad. I just hope it's not spicy. I loved it. There were like so many of these, so I grabbed one of these. Let me see what else I grabbed. Oh my God, tinnies. Who doesn't like tinnies? Yeah. The tidbits. So mostly I didn't want to grab any of the veggies. I didn't even eat much. Literally by the end of it all, I was still hungry. Yeah, I was just, I think when I'm so happy, I can barely just eat, but I ate a fair share of amount of food. Yeah, so there's these. Oh my God. I can never leave a party without these cooks. Yes, I grabbed 2. And then, of course, I grabbed a packet of, let me say, just different kinds of meat or chicken. Yeah, so that's basically what I got. Guys, I think this is it. So if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I'm so tired. Yeah, I should just wrap this up and go to here. Yeah, so guys, it was a very successful day. It was a Friday. Basically, I had even forgotten it is my birth date. Not my birthday month, but the date. It's my birthday, and I decided that I'd be celebrating myself. So unconsciously, I actually got myself something. I got myself the phone. Like, to me, it's a gift enough, and I thank God for this. Just to be able to like get onto this, it's a blessing. Yeah. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you on the next video. See ya. Adios.